Hi everybody. After unforgettable weeks exploring the beautiful Veneto region, it is time for our next adventures. Today, we are heading west to Lombardy region, where we will be spend the next 4 days in Italy's fashion capital city, Milan. And for the first time, I will be staying at the elegant Four Seasons Hotel Milano. From its beautiful historic setting to its prime location in the heart of the fashion district. I can't wait to show you why this is one of Milan's most iconic luxurious hotels. So let's check in and begin our Milan journey.
It's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance neath the cover of October skies. All the leaves on the trees, they are falling to the sound of the breezes that blow. And I'm trying to please to the calling of your heartstrings, they play soft and low. And all of the night's magic seems to whisper and hush. All of the soft moonlight seems to shine in your blush. Can I just have one moment dance with you, my love? Can I just make some more romance with you, my love? Well, I wanna make love to you tonight. I can't wait till the morning has come. Yet I know now the time it is just right, and straight into my arms you will run. When you come, my heart will be waiting to make sure that you're never alone. There and then all my dreams will come true, dear. There and then I will make you my own. Time that I touch you, you just tremble inside. Then I know how much I want you, that my love I can't hide. Can I just have one more dance with you, my love? Can I just make some more romance with you?
leave on the table because some people after.
Really?
Yeah.